I'm Guy Villax, Chief Executive of Hovione, a producer of APIs based in Portugal, present in China and in the USA. Hovione was founded by my father 50 years ago, so it's been about 40 years that I have had a front seat watching changes in the pharmaceutical industry. The European Union, like the USA, has rules in place to assure that the active pharmaceutical ingredients used to make medicines meet CGMPs, to assure that each medicine is identical to the product approved by the health authorities. Last century, medicines were either patented or branded and were manufactured mostly in the West, in-house, and in compliance with GMPs. The world has changed. Today, driven by the demand globally for lower healthcare costs, off-patent medicines make up the majority of pharmaceuticals we consume. 80% of the API volume used to make EU medicines comes from abroad, and not everyone is playing by the rules. This is putting the safety of our citizens at risk. Globalization has resulted in the emergence of off-patent API production in the low-cost economies where regulations and GMP requirements are very limited compared to those in the EU. More complex and fragmented supply chains increase the potential for contamination, mislabeling, or substitution of one substance for another, all of which increases the risk to patients. Unprecedented pressure on prices and profit margins drive generic and OTC companies to buy formulations and APIs at the lowest cost, sometimes from API plants that have never been inspected by any health authority from the EU or the US. This pits quality and ethics against profits in an uneven fight. Without enforcement, the least scrupulous operator wins.